What's up? As usual, let me know if you can hear me. Post in the comments. Yes, I hear you loud and clear. Or, no, I can't hear you. Just kidding. I just played a little joke on you right there. All right, guys, listen. If you don't know who I am, my name is Carey Buck. It's pathetic. I got to laugh at my own jokes. My name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009. And I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011, where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. I'm sorry, I'm still laughing at my own joke. So before we get started, folks come to me to learn the ATM business for several reasons. Well, they want to learn the ATM business for several reasons. Some folks, are tired of the 9-to-5 job. They want to get out of it. Some folks realize they need to be able to make money while they're not present, right? Passive, the whole idea of passive income, you know what I mean? And having your money work hard for you instead of you always working so hard for it. Some folks want to supplement their retirement. Some folks realize, oh crap, I haven't properly prepared for retirement, so let me do this. And a lot of folks lately, they just want more control over their investment, number one. And other folks are tired of outlaying like hundreds of thousands of dollars of cash to invest in something like real estate or maybe like starting another business, right? So they come learn the ATM business from me and you get started for a whole lot less, okay? Now, before I obviously get into what I want to talk about, and that's best mobile events for your ATMs, I want to let you know that if you do want to learn more about the ATM business and how it can benefit you, or if you would like me to personally help you start your own ATM business, then head on over to ATMtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's ATMtrainingvideo.com. All right, so best mobile events for your ATMs. And again, if you don't know what mobile events are, so there's two sides to the ATM business. The permanent placement side, that's when you're putting ATMs in local businesses like the restaurants, barbershops, stuff like that, right? Then there's the mobile side. That's when you're taking ATMs to carnivals, festivals, fairs, things like that, okay? So you take them to different events like every day or every weekend or every week or what have you, okay? The difference, permanent placement in local businesses, it's going to give you consistent monthly passive income, month in and month out, over and over and over again. When you do mobile, you're going to make big chunks of cash in small time frames. Big chunks of cash in small time frames, right? Because think about events, like how long are they? How long is the local carnival? How long is the local festival, right? Festival. That's what I mean by big chunks of cash in small time frames, right? Okay. So there's all kinds of different types of events that you can take your ATMs to. Some things you want to focus on are events that have beer, like a beer garden, right? If an event has a beer garden, usually it's going to be really good for your ATMs, especially if the beer garden is cash only. That's going to be a home run for your ATM business, okay? That's one thing. Another thing is, how they have the food trucks and whatnot, like they have different food vendors and what have you. Those are really great. If they have a lot of food vendors, they're really good, for your ATM business, especially if, what I'm going to say, they're cash only, okay? Another type of event that is really good is if it's just a huge event, like a huge event that has like a ton of people, right? A ton of people. If you have a ton of people at an event, the statistics say naturally some of them are going to use your ATM, right? So that's a good, thing to check out too. But please keep in mind, if you got an event that has a ton of, I'm talking like millions of people, you're going to need a lot of money for that event, okay? So I'm going to leave that like at the bottom of the list because most folks watching this video or wanting to get into the ATM business in the beginning don't have tons of cash to be able to do an event like that. Of course, if you become a student of mine, and you learn the mobile side of the business from me. You also get my private money workshop where I teach you how to raise money. I've raised personally over $1 million for our own ATM business, most of it which was used for mobile events. Anyway, another thing is when there's like kids rides or kids games, right? And especially if some of them are cash only. Sometimes the tickets, they might have a ticket booth that takes credit cards, then they might have a ticket booth that is cash only, right? So those are some things that you can look for, and those are going to be like really great events for you to take your ATMs to, okay? So cash only, beer, kid rides, kid games, food vendors, and just a ton of people, just a ton of people, all right? Hopefully that makes sense. I mean, you are going to get some duds. You're totally going to get duds, okay? That's not going to fail. That's never going to fail. You're going to get duds. I mean, it happens. But you're also going to get like really huge home runs. Like for instance, we did a tattoo event before, 3-day event. Went through, we did it a few years. Started out going through $250,000 in 3 days. The last time we did it, it went through over $320,000 in 3 days. And we made about $9,500 in surcharge fees in 3 days. Crazy, right? Crazy. And that's because the tattoo artists inside the event wanted cash payments, right? They would, sometimes give discounts for cash payments. So people were using cash. Oh, and another thing, even if these events have credit cards, if they have credit card machines, guess what happens sometimes with credit card machines? They go down. and this is a perfect example. We were at the tattoo event. We had another event we did. It was like an art festival. Everybody's credit card machines went down. So what happens when everybody's credit card machines go down? Everybody says, we'll only take cash. And if you ain't got cash in your pocket, guess where you're going? To an ATM machine. Okay? So yeah, all kinds of events, your local carnivals, festivals, fairs, anything with a lot of people, anything that cash is needed, will be great for your ATM machines. And remember, if you're serious about this business and you'd like to learn more, or if you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, because I honestly can help you save time, money, and headaches, then I welcome you to go to ATMtrainingvideo.com. ATMtrainingvideo.com. You're going to enter your email address, because the main video I want you to watch is not on ATMtrainingvideo.com, but it's the next page after you after you enter your email. All right. So go to ATMtrainingvideo.com, enter your email on that next page. Take the time to watch that video. I will explain my hybrid ATM investing system on that video, and you will totally understand the permanent placement side of the business and the mobile side of the business, and how you just mesh it all together to have just like this perfect, happy ATM party for yourself. Hey, Roxy and Valerie, if Valerie is ever here. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. Again, the video I want you to watch is there is a video. When you go to ATMtrainingvideo.com, there's a small video on that first page. I'm pretty sure it shows you my highest performing permanent placement volume-wise ATM in the month of January. But that's not the key. The key is I want you to put your email in, and on that next page, on the very next page, watch that video. It's about 28 minutes long. It goes over my hybrid ATM investing system. That's where you're going to get the knowledge. That's where you're going to be like, you know what? I think this might be for me, or it might not be for me. And if it's for you and you'd like me to help you start it by honestly saving you time, saving you money, saving you headaches, then fill out the application on that page, schedule a call with my team, and let's see if we're a fit together. All right? Again, that's ATMtrainingvideo.com. Once again, my name is Carey Buck. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.